Okay, this is a magic trick. 17 coins. And the one that takes the last coin loses. And you can pick 1, 2, or 3 coins up. And since I know this, you can go first. As many as you want. He took 3, so I'll take 2. How many? Well, 2. I don't care. I'll take 3. Vinny.
Yeah.
How many do I want to take?
Yeah.
Okay, see? I'll take 3. Good. 1, he loses. You need 17 coins, and whoever goes first wins.
You mean loses? I went first.
No? Oh, yeah. Whoever goes first loses.